Hello, it's Don here, back on the job. Today we're working on a Jon boat. It's not much of a Jon boat, but it is a Jon boat, and it's somebody's Jon boat. And it's a little 12-footer, I think, aluminum Jon boat. And they run that little 9.9 motor on there. Well, it didn't have much of a transom back here at all. And where the motor, with the motor on here, this transom was moving back and forth probably over an inch. I've bent it back up straight now. It was actually bent rearwards. And this here was the total of the transom board. That was it. That's all it had, holding the transom. So you can see that wasn't enough. So what we've done here, I've made a two-piece transom I'm going to replace on here. Replace this back piece, which was obviously next to nothing. We've made two pieces here. This one, I had to fill the back. This one, the lip rose backwards. It's a little different, a little odd, but whatever, it is what it is. So I had to fill the distance with the lip, so I've made this piece, and look, I even gel coated it to match the powder blue on the boat. Isn't that something? Not that it matters a whole lot on here. But anyway, so this piece is going to fit back here, and obviously disperse my weight over a much larger area. That'll be a lot better. And if we look straight down on it, it just comes right just past that lip, so the motor won't be pushing on that lip. So that'll really, in itself, would probably do the job. But just to make sure, the boat's got a stiff knee in it, but you can see it's actually pulling up on the floor a little bit. But I've made this piece. Still got to gel coat the inside of it, or maybe not. It's epoxy rosin inside there. But this piece is just the same height across the top. And this will be through bolted, and this will disperse that weight over a large area. Now with this 9.9 motor on here, it's not going anywhere. So we'll put a through bolt on the lower side of this one, and then the old two bolt holes you can see, I'll just share them, and then that'll probably be enough. This thing ain't going to move. It's going to be solid, and you know, it wasn't a big job, not an expensive job. They'll be happy. And I started laughing here. I'm listening to the radio. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but there's an old song comes on. It's Dancing Queen, classic radio. It makes me want to go buy a Bud Light. Oh God, I gotta stop.